In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can slow down or speed up footage in iMovie. So to slow down or speed up footage in iMovie is a really simple thing to do once you know how, and iMovie is really good for if you don't want to spend money on editing software and things like that. It will get the job done if you wanted to make YouTube videos. So what you can do is first of all open up iMovie. Once you have done that, you will need to import the footage that you want to make slower or faster. So I will go over and I will click on the Finder. I will locate the footage and then I will click and drag it onto my timeline. As you can see here, it is just footage of some traffic. So what you can do is if I play it, what I will show you is that it's just a standard footage of cars, and it is in its regular form. So if I wanted to slow this footage down, what I would do is I would come and highlight the footage. I would then right click and then I would come down to show speed editor. Once you click on this, as you can see, this little option here has appeared, and if I wanted to slow the footage down, I would click and hold, and then I would drag out the footage. So one second, once it just lets me click, and then I will drag out the footage as much as you want. And as you can see, what will happen is over in this section here is the footage will now be obviously longer. So if I go ahead and play it now, as you can see, the footage has now been slowed down. And if I just go ahead and do it a little bit more and just show you what it will look like in like super slow motion, just keep dragging it out, and as you can see, you'll get this little symbol here. So that is like a little turtle. Keep dragging it out, and then what you can do is simply go ahead and do that, and as you can see, the footage has now slowed down significantly. And again, if I wanted to speed it up, all you would need to do is, if I just get rid of these changes, the only thing you need to do is come to this little section here, and then you will need to click and hold. You will need to drag it inwards, and as you can see, you will get this little hair, and as you can see, the footage has now significantly got shorter because it is now sped up. So if I go ahead and play this, as you can see, the footage has now been sped up. So if I just go ahead and do it a little bit more, so if I grab this and drag it inwards, what you can do is play it, and as you can see, the footage has now been sped up. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.